Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to unbox this 1x18 diecast model of Mercedes CLA, one of the entry-level Mercedes. Only front two doors are openable on this model, but the interior and exterior detailing is really amazing for the price. I bought this model for around 6,000 rupees from Mercedes official online store, and this model is also available by Solido for around 5,600 rupees. If you want to buy this, I'll provide the link in the description of this video. So let's get back to the video.